Now I get to actually light the fire. Some people take this step pretty seriously. They have very precise methods for laying the foundation of what will be the start of their fire. I tend to not be too precise about this. I just lay a couple of the small pieces, angled just enough to where I can get some little bits of fire starter under them. Then I just line them up with a lighter. Crack the door a little bit and let it get going. Quick break to play with the dogs.